Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 7.6.1 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to TailsOS official website and download. It is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here, at the time of making this video the latest release is 7.6.1. Click on this burning a Tails DVD. Then click on this Tails 7.6.1 ISO image. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Then click on create new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Next, then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Select it, then click on open. Click on next. Click on next. Select guest operating system as Linux, version as Debian, latest version. Then click on next. Then provide the name. I'm giving Tails 761 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. And this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. See, these are the default values. If you want to change any one of these virtual hardware information, click on customize hardware. I want to give memory 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or just select it and click on VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.6.1, and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. Welcome to Tails. Now we have to set these options. See, these are the default values. If you want to change any one of these languages and formats, you have to click on and you can change. I am okay with the defaults. If you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on. If you don't want, keep it as turned off. And additional settings, click on this plus button. See, these are the default values. Except this administration password, all are on. If you want to set the password for administration, click on here and set the password. Then click on add. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. Tar connection, if you want to connect tar automatically, just turn on, select this radio button and click on connect to tar. It is establishing connection. Open terminal or console. See, successfully connected to tar. Now click on start tar browser. See, you got the tar browser. Now open terminal or console. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See, we have installed TailsOS 7.6.1. The first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update upset sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Here we have to provide the password of administration. It is updating packages. So in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 7.6.1 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.